Rhubarb season is here, and if you are like me, you have got way more than you can use before it goes bad. Good news! Freezing rhubarb is super easy, and today I will show you 3 foolproof methods to preserve that tangy goodness for pies, crisps, and smoothies all year long. Let's get started. Washing rhubarb. Pick the best rhubarb. Look for firm, glossy stalks with minimal blemishes. Avoid the leaves, they are toxic. Just chop them off and toss. Give your stalks a good rinse to remove dirt, then pat them dry. Method 1. Freezing raw. Just chop your rhubarb into 1-inch pieces, perfect for future baking, and spread them on a tray. Pop this in the freezer for 2 hours. This stops clumping, then transfer to a freezer bag. Squeeze out the air, label it, and boom, ready for pie filling anytime. Method 2. Freezing with sugar. Toss your pieces with half a cup sugar per 4 cups rhubarb. The sugar pulls out juices, creating a syrup that prevents freezer burn. Pack it into containers, leave half an inch headspace expansion, and freeze. Perfect for quick compotes or desserts. Method 3. Blanching. Dunk rhubarb in boiling water for 1 minute, then straight into ice water to stop cooking. This preserves color and texture better than raw freezing. Dry thoroughly, then freeze flat on a tray before bagging. Ideal for recipes where texture matters, like rhubarb tarts. Pro tips: FAQs. Freeze in recipe-sized portions, like 1 or 2 cups per bag. Do not thaw before baking. Just throw it in frozen, easy peasy. Store for up to 12 months. After that, it's still safe but may lose some flavor. Uses of rhubarb. Make rhubarb jam or compote for toast or yogurt. Pair it with strawberries in crisps, muffins, or cobblers. Roast it with a little honey and vanilla. It's sweet, tangy, and super easy. 3 ways to freeze rhubarb so you can enjoy that spring flavor all year. Which method will you try? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more kitchen hacks, and hit the bell so you do not miss our next videos.